Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Tune 120. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. Firstly, put your earbuds inside of the charging case. Now, press and hold on the right earbud for about 5 seconds. Release the button, and now your earbuds will turn on, and if you take them out of the charging case, they will enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.